doctors claim that this is true, say goodbye to arthritis with the help of this recent remedy. There are many common diseases and conditions which affect people of any age, and one of the most common ones is arthritis. Arthritis is an inflammatory disease which attacks the joints and causes pain and stiffness. The condition can become very painful and may prevent you from performing your daily activities. Arthritis is usually treated with anti-inflammatory drugs, but they only work temporarily and are not a real solution. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis and is caused by the wear and tear of the joints over time. The condition is treatable by natural remedies which will help you get rid of the pain and treat the underlying problem. Here are the best natural remedies against arthritis. Cucumber juice. Chop 150 grains of cucumber, then blend the pieces with a glass of water and 75 grains of turmeric powder. Drink a glass of the juice every day before lunch to reduce the pain in your joints. Parsley drink. Boil a handful of parsley in a liter of water, then simmer the mixture for 20 minutes and drink a cup of the tea before each meal. Turmeric milk. Add a teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of milk along a teaspoon of honey for better taste, then drink the solution 3 times a week to soothe the joint pain. Millennial cream. Mix 20 grains of the millennial of flame plant and Vaseline each, then apply the cream on the affected areas before you go to bed. Try any of these natural remedies to relieve the pain naturally and without side effects.